All right, guys, I received a comment from a friend. He was saying that when extracting an archive file, an error pop-up occurs saying could not unzip. The file cannot be opened as an archive or .zip, which is extension, not an archive. So there could be several reasons for this. So, number one, this error could occur due to corrupted archive file. You can simply repair your file and it should solve your problem. What you can do here? First of all, you need to repair your archive file. Just double tap on it once it's pop up. Simply, you need to go ahead into the tool and then repair archive. Now, once you click on that, there is two options. Treat the encrypted archive as RAR format. And the second one is zip. Now, the thing is, you can go with the second one, but depends on the file format. Like, suppose, let me show you first. Now, this one is, if you go into the properties, you can see the extension is start RAR. So you can go with RAR. Otherwise, if it's a zip version, then you can go with the zip version. Now simply click on that, go into the tool Repair Archive, and then you will see here the Treat the Corrupted Archive as RAR format. And the second one is if we will go with this one. Even though you can go with this one, this will work same as the upper one, but it's better to go the same version. You are repairing the same file with the same format. So yes, choose this one. And also you can choose the other destination for this. You can go somewhere like Documents, and then select and then click on. Okay, that's it. Your file is repaired. Now simply you can go into the folder where you just repair and extract the file. You will get here. Rebuild archive. Now hopefully it will solve your issue. Some other reasons maybe occur. Make sure you have enough space in your drive. Sometimes if the zip or Dart RAR file is around 10 megabytes, to make sure you have double space in your C drive, like 20 megabytes free space. And the step number 3, make sure update your extractor application if you are using WinRAR or WinZip. Whatever the application you are using, make sure update to the latest version. And the number 4, you can use any other extractor like you are extracting zip file, so you can use mineral replication or zip extractor or even Power ISO tool for extraction. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment sections. As you guys know, we are working on your suggested topics. So feel free to ask in the comment sections. Have a good day. Bye-bye.